Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of dropshipping, uncovering key insights to help you succeed in this lucrative business model. So let's dive on in. Understanding dropshipping. At its core, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Dropshipping also allows entrepreneurs to start a business with minimal upfront investment, low startup costs. One of the biggest advantages of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. You don't need to invest in inventory upfront, making it an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. With dropshipping, you can launch your business without breaking the bank. Dropshipping offers unparalleled flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection, allowing you to travel or work remotely. The scalability of dropshipping means your earning potential is virtually limitless. Finding profitable niches. Success in dropshipping often hinges on finding profitable niches. Conduct thorough market research to identify products with high demand and low competition. Niche selection is the foundation of a successful dropshipping business. Building relationships with suppliers. Communication and trust are key when working with dropshipping suppliers. Establishing strong relationships with reliable suppliers is crucial for seamless order fulfillment and customer satisfaction. Optimizing your online store. Your online store is your storefront in the digital world. Invest time and resources in creating a user-friendly website with compelling product descriptions and high-quality images. Implementing effective marketing strategies. Marketing plays a vital role in driving traffic to your store and generating sales. Experiment with different marketing channels to find what works best for your business. Consistent and targeted marketing efforts are essential for sustained growth in dropshipping. Providing excellent customer service. Deliver exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty with your audience. Address inquiries promptly and resolve any issues with professionalism and empathy. In dropshipping, customer satisfaction is paramount to long-term success. Analyzing performance metrics. Regularly monitor key performance metrics like conversion rate, average order value, and customer lifetime value. Use these insights to make data-driven decisions and optimize your business strategy. Data analysis empowers dropshippers to identify opportunities for growth and improvement. Embracing continuous learning. The world of dropshipping is dynamic and ever-evolving. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt to changes in the market to stay ahead of the competition. Success in dropshipping requires a growth mindset and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these key insights have equipped you with the knowledge and inspiration to thrive in the world of dropshipping. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy dropshipping!